Basic conversation practice in English. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
Oh, cool. And where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
That's awesome. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat, and his name is Milo.
That's so cute. What do you do?
I'm a student.
How's your day going?
It's been great so far.
What's new?
Not much, just busy with studying.
What's this?
This is a pencil.
And what's that?
That is a book.
What color is it?
It's blue.
How have you been lately?
I've been good, thanks.
Oh, I almost forgot. I'm sorry.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What about food? What's your favorite?
I love sushi, especially salmon rolls.
Do you have any hobbies?
I love painting and drawing.
Do you work out?
Yes, I go to the gym a few times a week.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course, what's up?
Can I borrow this?
Sure, no problem.
Sorry to bother you.
No worries, it's fine.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you speak another language?
Yes, I speak Spanish and a little French.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to hang out with friends.
What do you do for fun?
I love playing video games.
Can you help me with something?
Sure, what do you need?
Where's the bathroom?
It's down the hall on the right.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music all the time.
Who is your favorite singer or band?
I love Taylor Swift.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love playing soccer.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach because I love the ocean.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl. I feel more productive at night.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee because it wakes me up.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because of the warm weather.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm more of an introvert, but I enjoy socializing.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of heights.
Do you prefer reading or watching movies?
I prefer watching movies because it's more relaxing.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What do you do when you're bored?
I usually watch YouTube or read a book.
What's your biggest dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Bye.